Welcome to 80 acres of rolling Kentucky countryside, where breathtaking views, abundant wildlife, a spacious custom home, and outstanding farm infrastructure come together to create the ultimate private retreat. Whether you're searching for a family estate, horse property, recreational getaway, hunting retreat, or full-time country residence, this remarkable property offers the privacy, beauty, and versatility that are becoming increasingly difficult to find. From the moment you arrive, the landscape takes center stage. Rolling hills stretch across the horizon, blending open pasture, wooded areas, and scenic countryside views in every direction. Deer and wild turkey frequently roam the property, creating an incredible setting for wildlife enthusiasts, hunters, or anyone seeking a closer connection to nature. With 80 acres to explore, there is endless room for recreation, horseback riding, ATV adventures, hiking trails, livestock, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of your own Kentucky paradise. At the heart of the property sits an impressive residence offering approximately 4,500 square feet of comfortable living space. Designed for both everyday living and entertaining, the home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, multiple gathering areas, and beautifully updated finishes throughout. The cook's kitchen is a standout feature, equipped with a gas cooktop, 3 wall ovens, and abundant workspace for preparing meals for family and guests. Large windows throughout the home capture stunning countryside views, while the expansive deck provides the perfect place to enjoy morning coffee, evening sunsets, and the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Below, a covered brick patio creates an inviting outdoor living space, or you can relax while watching wildlife move across the rolling fields. The walkout basement adds exceptional flexibility, functioning almost like a private apartment with its own kitchen, living area, bunk room, and full bath. Whether used for guests, extended family, caretaker accommodations, or potential rental opportunities, the space provides tremendous versatility.